Hello. Dipendra, can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. What about you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking, Dipendra. Okay. So, Dipendra, have you gone through the notes for today?
Yes, ma'am. Little bit. I went through the session notes.
Okay, no problem. So, have you seen what is the topic for today?
Yes.
What is the topic for today?
I think if your friend is in a situation he is not aware about the city or place.
Okay. All right. Suppose you live in a city, okay? It can be any city. Now, your friend who is in some other city wants to move to your city. Okay, that's the
Yes.
question.
Yes.
He or she wants to move to your city completely, like permanently. Now, while moving, he or she needs your help in getting to know the locality, shifting their belongings from one city to another. Also, which area is better, which area is not. So all the details that you want to share with your friend before bringing that person to your city. So, or also you can say about great places in your city. I'm so sorry about the dog barking. Okay, so yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So you can talk about what is the speciality of your city. You can talk about what things you would like to show to that person before he or she moves to the city. Okay, so can we know your thoughts on this?
Yes. First of all, I think which college he want to join. So I try to aware about that place where he want to join or where he want to stay. And
Okay.
second thing is I will have to aware to him. I should tell him about the hospitals, which is if any kind of problem or physical problem happens, so
Hmm.
he can visit the hospitals as well.
Great point. Great
and
point.
and second thing is I can say the society, I can say good society I can suggest him, because I think I don't I know, and you also know about that. In every city, there is different kind of society. Somewhere
Yes.
is some places are good, and people are also good there. So
Yeah.
I must suggest those those kind of society to him, whichever is good or people are good to communicate, and no problem in future he will don't feel any kind of problem, and if any
He
problem
should not
happen with
face
him,
any
so
problem.
yeah, and if any
Sorry.
problem will happen in future, so they people also try to help out to the situation, which ever problem they try to help him. So I must suggest those cities, those places in my city. And
Okay.
second thing is also aware about the bad city, because bad places I can say, where is bad people live, I can say. But I think no one is bad or no one is good on this earth, but lack of the
Absolutely right.
education, yes,
Yeah.
lack of the education, they don't have that much kind of education, and they are not aware about the world, or and they are not that much educated. So I can say, if I talk about the slum areas, there are so many children live, they are not that much educated. So whatever whatever information they got from their parents or their society, so they will keep those things in their mind. So I think the lack of the education, people behave accordingly, whichever education they put in their mind, or whichever nourishment their parents give to them. So I think
Great
that
point.
is important. I think that is
Okay.
important, but I can also aware about those places where don't stay long time, because they can harm him as well. So I can aware about that those places as well to him. You
Great.
can not. stay a long time in that particular places, because
Correct.
they can harm you.
Yeah.
So
So
I think
don't
I
go
will
ahead too
aware
much.
of,
Hmm.
yeah, so I can aware those things to him.
Okay, Dipendra. Anything else?
No,
Not yet? Okay. So, Dipendra, greatly explained, I will say. Your explanation is great. Your thoughts are great. But do you know where you're going wrong?
I don't I don't know but that much, but little bit I can say sentence formation can be wrong, because I'm
Hmm.
working on that, but somewhere
Uh,
I stuck, or I have a problem. So yeah, I'm working on that. Maybe in future I will implement on that as well.
yes, even I will suggest that to you. So, the first thing is grammar clarification is really required, Dipendra. Okay. So, clarify your grammar concepts. Like, for example, where I should use which tense, in which sentence I have to use which word, like auxiliary verbs. Dipendra, can you hear me? Hello.
Repeat the sentence, whichever you are saying.
Can you
I'm
hear me? Okay, yeah. I will
Yes,
repeat it.
yes, yes.
So I was saying that you will have to clarify your grammar concept. Okay, grammar concept. So in grammar, basically it is where to use the right auxiliary verb. For example, I will get instead of I will behave or they will behave. So some auxiliary verbs you are missing out. Okay, so we have to learn them. Now let's learn about a few auxiliary verbs today and few tenses. All right, then I'll just ask you questions. If you know it, I will not explain. Otherwise, I will explain them to you. Okay? Sounds
Okay.
good? Okay, Dipendra, can you tell me, can you make a sentence for me in present simple tense about the same topic? Simple present.
Simple present.
Hmm.
Are you talking about that kind of
Huh.
sentence where is verb
Huh.
not involved?
Verbs are involved. So, according to you, how many tenses are there? Dipendra?
According to me, three tenses are we have. Three tenses we have: past, future, and present. And and they also have a subtype of present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Every tense have four types. I
Superb.
can
Now,
say.
in yeah, we are talking about simple present, which is also called as indefinite. Okay. So, can you give me a sentence in present indefinite about your friend or about the same topic?
I can say
No.
I
Hmm.
uh, my friend come in my place.
Superb. Can you say my friend? Um, like for example, you said my place. Instead of that, can you put my city and say this sentence again?
Yeah, my friend come in my city.
Okay. Now, my friend come in my city. It is the wrong usage of the word come. Okay. Come means it's a verb, right? Come is a verb, correct, Dipendra? Now, verb is only that, it is the actual word where we change the tense for it, right? Isn't it? For verb only, we will change the tense. For example, come, coming, came, right? Have come,
Yes,
will
yes.
come. So, yeah, for verb only, we are changing the tense. Now, the right tense for present simple tense, or it is, my friend comes to my city. Now,
Yeah,
why
yeah.
did I
My
put
friend
yes?
comes to my.
Why did I put yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Why did I put yes, Dipendra? Do you have any answer for this? Why did I say
So
like
I forgot that.
you know about this?
Yes, I know about that, but I forgot to put yes.
Yeah, exactly. See, all our grammar are definitely very clear because in the school we have already learned them. But the main point is that we have to implement it in when we are speaking. All right. And dependent, I'll teach you one format. When you're talking, right, in English, your mind should work like this. I'll tell you how your mind should work. First, every sentence should have one noun and one verb. Agree with me? Yes. So your sentence formation, all the tutors might have told you sentence formation, there is an error. So how to correct it? Dipendra, how to correct it? Step one, your sentence first, it should have a noun plus a verb. Clear? Now, first you will say the noun, my friend. Perfect. Then you will say what he is doing. Verb, comes. Now, when you are about to say the verb, before speaking the verb, you have to think which tense I should put here. That's second step. Step number one, noun plus verb. Step number two is you have to think which tense I got to put there. Okay, Dipendra. So, and one more thing I'll suggest you, Dipendra, don't translate in your mind. No, that's wrong. You have to directly think in English only. Correct, Dipendra? Right or not? See, if you are thinking in Hindi, translating in mind from Hindi to English, then speaking in English, so much time waste. Right, Dipendra? So,
Yes.
directly
Yes.
think in English only. For example, if I want to say dog, I will think dog in English only. I'll not say, dog in Hindi. Then I think, okay, we call it dog and then say. Waste of time. Okay, Dipendra? Second thing, you understood the
Yes, ma'am.
format, right? For whenever making any sentence in your life, first thing is you will say noun, then verb. Both of them together. These two, you have to think about the tense. For example, if I want to say, मैं आज खाना नहीं खाऊंगा. Okay, so I will say I. Now, basically what we are talking about. Okay, I'm talking about myself. I will not eat food today. Why will not? Because it is going to happen in the future. Right now, I will not eat later. Even 1 minute is future, even 2 minutes is future, even 5 days is future. All right, Dipendra, understood?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, can you give me a sentence from present simple, please? Dipendra? My friend?
I go to market.
Very good. With I, it is go. Right. And with which we have to put yes and es?
He or she with he or she or
Ah,
any
very
name,
good.
any
Very
name
good.
if mentioned, so we have to put e or es.
Okay, and that is called third person and singular, only single. For plural, no, we should not put it. Concept clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you have to follow this from the next session, not just saying yes. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
remember. Next, after present simple, let's go to present continuous. What do you know about present continuous, Dipender?
I am going to market. Matlab, if
Very good. Correct sentence. Now
is
can you make the
I am
same?
going.
Very good. Can you make the same
My
sentence
friend
for
is
third person?
my friend is coming on my city.
To my city, not on my city. Okay, to my city. All right, on is upar. He's not coming on your city. Okay, all right, Dipender. So yeah, present continuous is clear. Am, is, are you will use. You are, I am, he is. Clear? And ing is definite. You have to use it.
So
So this
can
way I
I
have taught it.
say can
Yeah.
can I say as well? My friend is coming in my city. Is this correct or not?
My team is coming.
My friend is coming in my city.
You will have
Is
to
this
say.
correct?
No, it's not correct. Into my city. Okay, into my city. All right, because it's a huge place. You have to use for smaller like compact spaces in the box. All right, and for huge places or huge cities and countries, you have to use to or at. Okay, Dipendra, I hope I'm clear. All right, it's
Hmm.
time already. I'll have to leave. Okay, bye bye, Dipendra, take care.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.